Marriage is not an end to the means. It is just a celebration of what you two have built together. This is Pinoy Extreme, and ngayon pag-uusapan natin ang kasal. Let's do this.
This is Pinoy Extreme.
Marami akong kakilala or kaibigan ng kakilala ko din na nagpakasal thinking na yung kasal na yun is going to improve whatever those two couples have. It's a celebration of the trust, the bond, the growth, at kung ano pang mga bagay na pinagtagumpayan nyo while you are building your relationship towards marriage. Pag tinignan mo ang kasal as a very tiny moment nung kabuuan ng pagsasama nyo, mag-shift yung focus nyo doon sa kung ano ba talaga yung importante. Now, ano ba yung importante? Siyempre yung foundation na nabuo nyo, which is yung how you communicate, how you solve problems, how you deal with hard times. Yun yung magiging foundation ng kasal nyo or ng next phase ng buhay ng dalawa. Ngayon, na-imagine nyo ba if yung mag-partner nagpakasal ng pareho silang immature, pareho silang nagsisigawan pag nag-aayos ng problema, hindi nila sinasabi yung mga bagay na napapansin nila and ending up hurting one another. So, kung ganun pa lang sa fundamentals, nahihirapan na kayo, what more if magsama kayo habang buhay? Because that's what marriage does. It binds you together. Right? Think of marriage as a new chapter rather than the end of the story. It's an ongoing commitment to nurture what you've built, to keep growing together, and to embrace future challenges as a team. The real work and joy come from continuously investing in each other long after the wedding day, creating a shared life that is meaningful, fulfilling, and resilient. Now, dito mo makikita na yung kasal ay more than just a celebration. It's also a recognition nung mga bagay na na-gain natin doon sa course of relationship, and ipapromise din natin na i-grow and isusupport natin yung isa't isa regardless of the event, regardless of the problem, because before pa man kayo ikasal, alam nyo na sa sarili nyo na kaya nyong ayusin ang lahat ng problema basta magtutulungan lang kayo. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.